The Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 has laid a strong foundation of equality and empowerment, reminding us that inclusion is not an act of kindness, it is a constitutional obligation. This vision reflects the core principles of our Constitution: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, guiding us towards a more human and equitable society.
Purple Fest has also creating a livelihood. Over the past few days, the thousands of the visitors, artisans, innovators, and the performers has participated. Their energy and creativity have brought the new vibrancy to Goa. This is the beginning of what we proudly call the purple economy, where social inclusion and economic growth go hand in hand. When everyone is included in the progress of society becomes the stronger. और डिक्लेयर करता हूं कि वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंटरनेशनल पर्पल फेस्टिवल हमने ऑर्गेनाइज किया.
The Purple Fest has transformed Goa into living example of accessibility and awareness. We have seen thousands of people, from children to seniors, from entrepreneurs to artists, from policymakers to performers, all moving together, learning, laughing, and breaking barriers. So has once again proved that inclusion is not a charity, it's equality, it's empowerment, and it's celebration and it's collaboration.